Shandong Fuqiang Environmental Protection Materials Company Limited has focused on the manufacturing of metal sandwich panels for 15 years, committed to providing high-performance, customized building envelope solutions globally. With professionalism, quality, and innovation as our core values, we help our clients build efficient, safe, and energy-saving building spaces. Our production base covers 3,200 square meters and boasts 2 advanced production lines and 1 newly upgraded automated production line, coupled with 6 precision embossing machines, 2 high-performance molding machines, and high-pressure foaming equipment, forming a robust manufacturing system. We stably produce high-quality panels with a width of 500 millimeters with substrates as thin as 0.3 millimeter, achieving a perfect balance between lightweight and high strength, and can efficiently respond to standard and complex non-standard customized needs. In terms of products, we closely follow market demands and have built a diversified product portfolio. We produce high-performance polyurethane panels with excellent thermal insulation and economical polystyrene panels, and also keep up with fire safety trends, providing high-grade fire-resistant materials such as graphene, gold-plated panels, and silicon rock panels, offering one-stop material selection services for industrial plants, cold chain logistics, commercial and public buildings, and other projects. 15 years of on-site factory photography is a direct reflection of our confidence in our quality. From raw material warehousing to finished product packaging, every step withstands scrutiny, fulfilling our commitment to technology as the foundation and quality as the source. Choosing Fuqiang means choosing a company with profound experience, strong capabilities, and a reliable partner.